Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select Extrude, select the right plane, create rough sketch. Give the dimensions. The height is 60 overall height and width is 32. That's it. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane. The length we required 45 mm. Next there is a flanges. For that select the right plane, sketch, create circle, give the dimension, dia 20 and here to here 13 mm. The length is 30. Select line, give the dimension here, this is 26 mm. That's it. Here center on circle is there, that is dia 10. Trim the unwanted lines here. Finish sketch. The thickness is 10 mm. Here we need to give offset 13 is there, we can divide it by 2, 6.5 mm. Okay. So one more, we can do it mirror or we can do it extrude also, this sketch as your wish. Mirror, select the feature first, select the plane, Okay. Next select right plane again, sketch, create circle first, and create one center line, give the dimensions, "90" and length is 30. This diameter is 20. Create line, just join the circle, give the tangent constraint, create line here, create one circle, dia 8 mm. Trim the unwanted lines. Finish sketch, extrude, here select mid plane, the thickness is 12 mm. Control 7 for ISO view. Next here there is a 2 holes, create 2 circles, give the dimension 10, the pitch is 27 and height is 12 mm. Give the horizontal constraint, finish sketch, extruded cut, here we can give up to next. So that's it. Select material. So these are all the standard materials. You can assign as per your requirements. I will go with steel, polished steel. Go to edit appearances, edit the color. We can change the face colors. Select whole, here change it into face. Just assign some other colors. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session. And also I'm requesting, please do subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.